Okay, I'll take you to one example that it cannot happen in single gender school.
There is no other gender, so why? How will
How
that?
cannot? You can take the example of KB Women's College. Many the boys go to they are even not from that school. They also go that. How it is happening?
This is they are coming from outside. It is not happening.
But it is
within
also
the-
happening in single gender school. This is a demerit of single gender school.
So they are coming from outside. They
But
are
it is
coming-
happening.
So look, if somebody the security, they can breach the security. What we can do?
That is the matter of handling the student.
This is the problem, like you already mentioned. When they come to the real world, they have to face the opposite gender ultimately, and this is going to be a problem for the students coming from the single gender school.
Only apart from the safety, which thing you like, holistic education or single gender education? I think you will be thinking about the holistic education.
Yes, of
apart
course.
from the safety.
Yes.
Because safety is the main concern about, because we are more concerning about the safety.
Yes.
So in this safety, we need to take some steps that how to improve this. So
Yes.
after that, we have to think that we need to send our children to the holistic education because their development is in all the things about the social bonding and all the things like that.
And the safety of co-education system is the responsibility of teachers and police. That is the not responsibility of the co-education system or the
Now, this
students.
is the responsibility of education system, that they have to pay attention on it, that why it is happening. How only teacher can handle this?
Teacher can handle this easily. Just focus
There are
on
few students who are very naughty type. They do not listen to the teachers. Whatever he say, when they get punishment, they do not change themselves, their nature.
There is a social bonding between the girls and the boys. Like if I talk about the example that if I had to work in any MNC's company, there I will not face any problem. That if I get a girl in a teamwork, that I will not face any problem to talk to her that girl. But if I have been studied in the school where it is a single gender school, there might I will be feeling that I will feel the same that I am talking to a girl. My friends might take a wrong perspective and negative thinking about me and that girl. So I think this is the advantages, that is social bonding between girls and boys happen in holistic education, and their participation is more like we can have the healthy competition between boys and girls. Both boys and girls can think that that boy is having the great opportunity there, so I also can go and give my best. So this can happen, can have the healthy competition. And disadvantages of holistic education now in India, many of the girls feel uncomfortable to speak anything in a stage, but because many of the boys might give the wrong perspective about that girl, that's what she is speaking. But when she come to a single gender school, she might think that all are girls, so I can she can have the more confidence there. So my perspective is that we should follow the holistic
There is
education.
no kind of distraction. These days, I see that many of the students are facing the problem of distraction, and they are not able to pay attention and focus on their study. This is, however, creating hinder in their study. So here, a single gender school is playing very vital role, that every student should focus on study, if it is a boys' school or a girls' school. And additionally, there are a few things that. In class, many students in co-educational system school, many students fear or hesitate to ask some specific question related to any subject to the teacher. This is because they think that what the opposite gender will think. Right?
Yeah, right.
In this case, if you are in a single gender school, then you will not hesitate any kind, and you can ask freely any question related to your topic to the teachers. So this is how is single gender school is helpful and beneficial for the
Single
students.
gender education system is good for safety purpose. There is very little chance of harassment by the boys and girls to each
If I
other.
talk about an example, like if I am a doctor and I have studied from the single gender school, so I cannot treat that patient if he is a female or a male. If I am a male and he is a female, So I cannot treat him because I have studied from that where I cannot feel his empathy and sympathy that what he is facing. But if I have studied in this school where I can know about the empathy and sympathy about the girls as well as boys. So it is the advantages of holistic education that we can have the social bonding of all type of gender.
Co-education system is necessary for our society, for our development, because I have seen many students in boys or girls, they hesitate to deliver their speech.
Boys pass bad comment on girls. So this is somehow create uncomfortable scenario in the class, and in some school I've seen that teacher only pay attention on only on one gender during teaching. That they give preference to one like boys or girls while teaching. This is the problem in co-education system.
So here we need to change the mentality that we both are of different gender. So we can exchange our ideas. So we can ask any question. Nothing matters that which gender we are in
But,
education, especially
there is no there is no
because
this
we
kind
came
of
there
problem
for
in single
studying.
gender.
We came there, school, college, and university for studying. So we have to ask question. Either he is a male or a female.
Yes, and but in single gender school there is no such kind of problem. You can ask any question freely to your teacher without any hesitation.
Both gender type of person, how will you handle at that time? In your professional life, there will be not selected gender will come to interact with you. At that time, for dealing at that time, you will have to make your education in a co-education system.
It's like many students just get distracted towards opposite gender, and their whole year of study get worsened. Their whole study wasted there. But that also create a problem for future.
This is the exceptional case because this is the human nature, and we need to
Take some step.
some step for the awareness
But
and
this exceptional case happening is this is exceptional case happening a lot.
this is the not matter of a lot. I have done my education in co-education system. There was very hard, strict rules and regulation, and for providing safety in the case of harassment, or if we want to save our children from the love affairs, etc. We will have to take care their day-to-day life, in which direction they are moving or going.
Parents prefer to send their, especially girl parents, prefer to send their girls children to the single gender educational system because of they think that their girl is more safe there. Why this is thinking coming from and where it is coming from? Because in lot of co-educational system, the girl faces harassment or molestation in that education system. That's why they are preferring to send their girl children in co-educational system schools or colleges.
Ask them such type of parents, they will send their children to work in a single gender place, or they will marry to a opposite gender person. Ask such type of parents. We need to change the mentality and thought process of such type of parents.
We have to make them aware that what is the importance. We need to have the social bonding. What will be our future if we don't have the social bonding with the girls and the boys? How will they work?
So what about the harassment kind of things like harassments are facing girls are facing in the co-educational system?
So there should be some steps to be taken.
And but the steps are still being taken. The solution is not yet. Still,
So the steps are taken only in the upper way, not in the basic things.
that's the problem of the co-educational systems, that they have to work more to make it more better.